Welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of Excel to explore a powerful alternative to VLOOKUP, index match. This combination offers flexibility, efficiency, and precision for Excel lookups in any direction. Get ready to unlock a new level of data mastery. Let's discuss the limitations of VLOOKUP. First, VLOOKUP only looks to the right, limiting its versatility. Second, column numbers can easily break your formulas if columns are inserted or deleted. Finally, VLOOKUP can be slower on large datasets. These limitations make index match a superior alternative in many cases. Let's break down the components of index match, starting with the index function. The index function returns a value from a specific position in a range or array. The syntax is equals index, open parenthesis, array, comma, row number, comma, column number, close parenthesis. Index retrieves the value at the intersection of a specified row and column within a given range. Now let's explore the match function. The match function finds the position of a lookup value within a range. The syntax is equals match, open parenthesis, lookup value, comma, lookup array, comma, match type, close parenthesis. Match searches for a specified item and returns its relative position within a range. When you combine index and match, you get a powerful lookup solution. The formula is equals index, open parenthesis, return column, comma, match, open parenthesis, lookup value, comma, lookup column, comma, 0, close parenthesis twice. Match finds the position, and index returns the value at that position. Let's walk through a practical example. Here is a table of employee data containing name, department, and salary. To find the salary of Sarah, we use the following formula. Equals index, open parenthesis, C2 colon C4, comma, match, open parenthesis, quote Sarah, quote, comma, A2 colon A4, comma 0, close parenthesis twice. The result is $65,000. Why should you choose index match over VLOOKUP? First, it's bidirectional, meaning it can look left or right in any direction. Second, it's faster, offering better performance on large datasets. Third, it's flexible and won't break when columns change. Finally, it's precise, allowing you to reference exact columns by name. In summary, index match is the professional choice for lookups in Excel. The key formula is equals index, open parenthesis, return range, comma, match, open parenthesis, lookup value, comma, lookup range, comma, 0, close parenthesis twice. It's more flexible, faster, and reliable than VLOOKUP. Pro tip: always use 0 for exact match in the match function. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.